How to change password of Tonkeeper Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the password of your Tonkeeper. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, head over to your app, and when you open your app, you will be asked your password. Simply type that in. After you've typed in your password, you will get to this home page of your Tonkeeper. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the gear icon on the top right and head over to the settings. Now under settings, you will see an option called security. Tap on security. Now after you tap on security, on the bottom you will see change passcode. Now that is your final option here. Tap on change passcode and type in your current password. After you type in your current password, you will need to create a new passcode. Simply type in your new passcode and re-enter the passcode. After you do that, you basically changed your password of Tonkeeper. And that is basically how you do it, guys. You can check it by simply trying to log back in. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.